right, hey there, this is Romy with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning. And it is a little gloomy out, but a great day to come in and keep your vehicle maintained. This one just got it's part of our Clean Car Club, so unlimited times per month. She comes in for a hand wash, chamois dry, tires, rims, door jams, windows in and out, quick vacuum and dry wipe the dash. So that is unlimited per month. So we have several options to go with. That could be up to you. And as we come into the shop here, we'll take a look. It's going to get a little loud. So our guys are working here. Another interior detail. Customer just purchased the vehicle. A little bit of mold in the headliner. Picked up some new WeatherTech mats for it. So the guys are just shampooing it out, getting it blown out. We've got a couple of techs working on it. Zaid and Adam. And as we come back through here, we do sell WeatherTech mats in shop. We just had this client picked up our in-shop mats. So those we carry the all vehicle mats. They can be trimmed to fit any size. And then he picked up, we carry these kits in stock. He's gonna do his own headlight restoration, which we offer. You can do it through the shop. So if you were needing to get your headlights restored, WeatherTech mats, or custom fit, interior detail, or sign up for a Clean Car Club to maintain your vehicle, you can give us a call at 970-373-3336. Have a great day.